Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download the video using TikTok Lite. So, if you're also wondering and wanting to do so, you may head over and follow up these simple steps for that, and you should be able to do it very easily. So, open up TikTok application for that, TikTok Lite. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can just go over and download it. And once it is downloaded, you can just go over and use the in-app feature of downloading the video onto your device. So once you go ahead and find the video that you would like to download, the specific video, you can look out for it in your For You, your following, or even through any of your friends or anyone you are following with. So once you find the video, navigate to the video that you want to save and look out for the share button. So on your right hand side, you can find uh, options where you can just go over and tap on the share at the very last. And once you tap on share there, you'll be finding different options. You can look out for the download option. So all of the videos do not have that option. So what you need to do is basically navigate to the video that has a download option. So head over there. And once you find it up, you just need to go ahead and look out for this option of save video. You can directly look out for the option of save video. So if the creator has allowed downloads for that video, you should be finding a save video option. You just need to tap on that option right there. And once you tap on save video, you just need to go ahead and allow access to photos and medias on your phone. And you just need to wait for some certain minutes or seconds depending upon the video size. And that will download the video on your device. Now you can view it through your device's gallery or any of the file manager. And that is it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to do so, you may follow up this method for that, which is pretty quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.